I'm back from the jungle and I'm on my rooftop in Mumbai. And this is probably going to be the shortest YouTube video that you've seen in the last couple of years on my channel. In fact, we're going to be filming this entire video in less than 2 hours. So stick around until the end because we're going to photograph urban birds against this gorgeous fiery setting. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kenneth and this is a video that I won't be scripting and editing. In fact, I'm going to be presenting it completely live, which is a format that I've been wanting to experiment with and I just haven't gotten about to do it. In a short while from now, the lighting up here is going to be completely diffused and there should be some parakeets, coppersmith barbets and some purple-rumped sunbirds that will be on these flowery blooms. Let's hope we can get some stills or just some video footage. I'm not going to be throwing in any story here. It's just going to be an evening out on the rooftop with some urban species. In case you're wondering why this video is so short, well, I have a few reasons. Number one is I don't know how long these fiery blooms are going to last. The monsoons are right around the corner and the rain might reduce all of the volume of flowers significantly. So if there's any opportunity of natural beauty, lighting, you have blue skies, you have floral blooms, get out there and make the most of it because tomorrow things will just change. And that is nature for you. And my second reason is I have to give this lens back to Canon India. I borrowed this RF 800mm and I extended the duration of use because I was first filming great hornbills and then of course we had lesser flamingos in Mumbai. And then my third reason is I'm off to film tigers in Tadoba for the rest of June. So before I'm out traveling again, I wanted to bring you guys a little bit of nature. Okay, I have a coppersmith barbet that is very close by. Oh man. Still there. Come on, buddy, where are you? Found you. We've got one coppersmith barbet around the Gulmohar flowers, and but I've got a building in the backdrop. I don't like the color of the building. But let's hope the coppersmith comes up just a little bit higher. Okay, there are two of them. So this guy is number one and oh, that guy is number two right there. Both cannot fit in one frame, but I can pan. We have maybe another half hour of sunlight and I haven't been able to see many birds. It's just been the coppersmith barbet. I heard it briefly again, but then more than that it's just been sounds of crows, construction and traffic. We've got some parakeets flying by as well. And what's going to happen when they come down, they're going to pluck out the buds of the African tulip and that's how they're going to get their hydration. Now this is a bud that is filled with a lot of watery nectar. The parakeets are just going to bite that and squeeze the water out of it and get their hydration. So that is what it looks like. That looks a little wrong, but you get what I mean. That's what the parakeets are after. guys are so fast. Every time you see something, that's the only time you get to see it, and then it's gone. Okay, we've got a coppersmith in the Gulmohar. I've had to switch my angle a little bit, but it's right there, and I hope this guy doesn't move. Okay, my camera angle is locked and I'm firing away at 800th of a second. This is a gorgeous setting. It looks like we've got a ton of clouds just surrounding us and engulfing the high rises around my little building. I will wait for a little bit and hope that the clouds clear so we can get just a little more shots of the coppersmith barbet. That is the only bird sitting on the Gulmohar tree, helping us get some shots against the floral setting. And the sun is back out, so let's wait and see what the rest of this evening has to offer. I was a bit worried that I would have to pack up and leave, but wow, the wind speed is really fast. And okay, we've got, it's unpredictable, the clouds coming in and out, but let's see if we can get just 1 or 2 shots of the coppersmith barbet. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. If you're new to the channel and this is the first video you've caught of mine, then check out the other videos that I have. There's a series on tigers called Tiger Country. There's a series on birds called Part of the Flock. And in the next few days, I'm off to Tadoba to film a second tiger series. Well, that's it for this evening. I will see you in the final chapter of The Deserts of India.